Hello everyone. What we're going to do today is we're going to take this piece of carbon tube, we're going to adapt it so we can put this on the end. Some kind of a big ball link, I don't know, something. But we got to make these two parts go together. And we have to have some adjustability in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make one of these. That's eventually going to go in there. That'll get glued in there, and then this will screw on the end. And the way we do that is with the newfangled tool we got called a vertical lathe. Yeah, vertical lathe. Pretty cool, man. Really high tech. So what we do is we cut our threaded rod to whatever size we need here. We're going to take the threaded rod and we're going to turn the threaded rod down, which is too big to fit inside the carbon tube. We're going to put this, we're going to turn it down so this will fit inside the carbon tube nice and snug. And here's this very, very special tool that we're going to use. It's called, once again, it's called a vertical lathe. So here we go. Ready? Have fun. We're going to keep using this very, very, very accurate and fine tool. Once we see the threads go away, that's about an 1/8 inch, which is what we need for the diameter to go inside that tube. So what we want to do is we just want to get a little bit close down to the bottom here where that tape is and see how fine it works. It's like, you know, taking a millimeter here, a millimeter there, well, maybe a couple thousandths, who knows. Whatever looks good. There we go. Now we're taking some material away. This is one precise tool, boy. Uh-oh, bumped the tape. Oh well, that's what the tape's there for. There we go. The threads are starting to go away. Yay! And the threads are gone. We're at the right diameter. Just remember, I was told about this tool that you're not supposed to draw it back because it'll fill up the cutting surface. So we just raise it off the threaded rod a little bit and put some pressure on it and push away. There we go, we're getting down there now. We have a little more to do after this. We'll drop it down. We'll have to open up the auto centering chuck and drop the threaded rod down. Then we will machine off the top part of the adapter. We're getting close now. I can see it. If you look really close, the threads are starting to go away. Yeah, man. We'll leave a couple threads in there. Did enough of these already. Yeah, we got no thread here. We got a couple threads here we got to take off yet. There they go. They're starting to go away. This vertical lathe is really something else. There we go. That's pretty good. Yeah, that looks sweet. Now we got to drop it down a little bit. Cuts the material pretty darn quick. Gonna drop it down. Ow, the damn thing's hot. Yeah, man. Okay, that's about what we're gonna need there. Now we got to get this part down to that. So once again, we're going to use the very, very fine machining tool. Yeah, we're getting close now. After we get this down to the correct diameter, we're going to use the cutoff tool, special cutoff tool, specifically for this process. Okay, we're almost there. Yeah, man. You only want to take a little bit at a time. So the manual says, not a lot of pressure. Okay, I think we're there. Nah, we got a good ledge. We got to get rid of that ledge. Could use a file card to clean it out, but nah. Good old hands work good. There we go. Threads are almost gone. There we go. One finely machined piece of metal. Now we're going to take that out of the chuck. Look at that. Huh? Nice stuff. So now we're going to use the special cutoff tool. So we're going to flip the camera around so you can see what's going on here. This is really interesting how it works. Let's see. There's that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this end here and we're going to put that in the vise. And we're going to run that up. Let's see, about right there. And we're going to get the cutting tool now. And we're just going to saw it off. Okay, now we're going to clean a little bit on the grinder. Okay, there we go. It don't get much better than that. Check it out. A finely machined adapter. We'll take that. That'll go in the end there. That'll get glued in there, and that'll thread right on there. And you'll actually have what looks like this. You can't see it. Oh well.